Protecting your carpets or sofas, rugs or fibre is a great way to add a resilient barrier to help stop those accidents from permanently ruining their appearance. UK Carpet Care have formulated a layer by layer application that gives a strong and long lasting bond to the fibre. Fibre types vary, and so does their absorbency. So tests are carried out prior to the application to ensure the protector resists and repels in the best way, without any texture changes to the fibre. For best results, we can apply the protector to new carpets and fabrics prior to installation or after our professional cleaning services have been carried out. Our technicians are happy to help move furniture in your home, so we can target those heavily used areas, or for the best results, the whole surface of the fibre. The process is non-toxic and child and pet friendly, so it's safe for all the family. Your fibre will be ready to use in a few hours after the application and fully cured within 48 hours. It makes common spills that are deemed difficult to remove a simple task. After purchasing, you have access to exclusive maintenance cleaning rates to help keep your carpets, rugs and fabrics looking and feeling their best. For every application, you will receive a free UK Carpet Care Unbelievable Spot Remover to help assist in dealing with any stubborn spots or spills. Please give us a call today to find out more information.